Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today's video title is guys how to use Oppo mobile screen recording setting. Friends, you want to use Oppo mobile screen recording setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Oppo mobile screen recording setting one by one and step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Oppo mobile you want to use screen recording, you want to on, you want to enable screen recording. How to set up and use screen recording setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone tool setting. After your phone tool setting, navigation setting, screenshot setting you can use. Then friends, click here screen recording setting. After turn on phone screen recording setting, friends, you want to use screen recording sound, so you can on screen recording sound. And you want to use Oppo mobile screen recording without sound, so friends, you can off your screen recording sound. Scroll down here friends, video quality, you can set your screen recording video quality, high quality, medium quality, low quality, you can use it. Again scroll down here friends, front camera you want to use, so you can on and you can use it. So friends, now how to use screen recording, you can check is swipe here and you can use screen recording setting. Swipe here, screen recording screen recording setting, click here friends, screen recording. Friends, tap on red button and you can start your screen recording in Oppo mobile. 1 2 3 screen recording start. Screen recording will start in your Oppo mobile you want to use, so you can use it. Example friends, we will on display brightness setting. Auto brightness mode you want to on, so you can on and you can off auto brightness. Dark mode you want to on, so you can on dark mode, you can off dark mode. Friends, now again click here red button, screen recording will save in your Oppo mobile. Click here tap to view and you can check your screen recording video. And once you can check screen recording sound is mute. You can share your screen recording, you can save your screen recording on your favorite list if you click here, so you can edit your screen recording. You want to delete your screen recording video, so once click here delete option, screen recording video will delete. If you click here when three dot setting, set as private setting you want to use, so you can hide your video. And if you click here rename option, so once you can rename your screen recording video, and you don't want to rename, so you can cancel it. So like that friends, you can use Oppo mobile screen recording setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you find out you have any problem in Oppo mobile setting, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.